In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change color of buttons on the Dawn theme in Shopify. We'll walk through this step by step so you can customize the look of your add to cart and buy it now buttons without needing to be a coding expert. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on Online Store. This will open a page that shows your themes with your current theme listed at the very top. On that current theme, click the option to edit the theme. This will open the Shopify theme editor, where you can visually customize your store. At the top of the theme editor, you'll see a page selector that is usually set to homepage by default. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, choose Products, then select Default Product. This switches the preview to a typical product page, which is where your main action buttons are located. On the left panel of the editor, look for a section called Product Information under the template area. Click on Product Information to open its settings and styling options. Scroll down within that sidebar until you see an area labeled Custom CSS, and then click it. This will reveal a text box where you can add or paste CSS code that will specifically style elements on your product page. In this text box, paste the same code you see demonstrated. If you're following along with a visual example, feel free to pause so you can carefully copy the code. Once the code is in place, look at the live preview on the right. You should see that the Add to Cart button has changed color, while the Buy It Now button remains in its original color based on the hex codes defined in the CSS. Now let's break down how to customize those colors. Under the part of the code labeled for the product Form Submit, changing the hex code assigned to background color will change the background color of the Add to Cart button. Changing the hex code assigned to color will adjust the text color inside that button. There will also be a hover section for product form submit. Updating the hex code after background color there controls the color of the button when a customer hovers over it. Next, look for the section labeled Shopify payment button. This controls the Buy It Now button. Again, background color sets the button's main color and color sets the text color. The hover section for this button works the same way. Change the hex code after background color to control the hover effect for the Buy It Now button. If you want to add border colors to either button, find the line that includes border. If it's set to none, replace none with a border style that includes a hex code. For example, you could use a thin solid border in any color by using the hex value there. To find colors you like, open a new tab and go to Google. Search for Hex Color Picker. Use the color picker to choose any shade you want, then copy the hex code it gives you. Go back to your custom CSS and replace the existing hex code for the specific button or button state you want to change. Each time you update a hex code, check the preview panel on the right to see how your buttons look. Adjust until you're happy with the main color, text color, hover color, and borders. When you're satisfied with the design, go to the top right corner of the theme editor and click Save. This publishes your button color changes to your live store, so your customers will now see your updated on-brand buttons.